What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to hide your search bar on Shopify, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell also. So you can hide your Shopify bar if you did not knew. So Shopify search bar basically. So open your store and go to the themes. Click on the actions and then select edit code. So after it we're gonna have some coding over here. So search for the theme liquid file and select the theme.liquid file and scroll to the last line of the code. So enter the following code, which is header.site/header.search/bar visibility hidden important. So save the changes and the Shopify search bar will be hidden. So what are the requirements, of course? So as you can see, an online grocery store will require a big search bar with easy to use interface, whereas a high-end online fashion store may require a large number of visitors to browse through many products images, and usually the search bar has a small cutout that is kept out of the way for maximum screen size, and when you click on it the search bar drops with categories restraining clients. So basically you can easily search you can easily hide your search bar with this coding over here. So guys, quite an easy process, and hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.